what's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video we will be learning about how you can go ahead and how you can create your first page on WordPress. So basically you can see that this is looking a bit ugly and we need to change this. You can see we've got this title right here coming and it says just another WordPress site. And so we will be actually building a website like this. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you right now. So we will be actually building a website like this in the future. Okay, but first we need to go ahead and we need to work with a simple basic website. Okay, then we will be able to build a website like this. Anyway, let's just go ahead and let's learn how to go ahead and how to create our first page. So in order to create a first page, you can see that make sure that you are actually logged in. So if you are not seeing this right now, this top bar, then this means that you are not logged in. So if in order to log in, what you need to do, you need to go to your domain name and then you need to write here wp-admin. Okay, so you can see you will not see, if you are not seeing a top bar and if you are not logged in, you need to log in then. So how you can log in, you can just write here slash and then you can write wp, then you can write dash, then you can write admin, and this will actually take you to the WordPress admin. Now here you need to enter your username, and now here you need to enter your new password that you added there while installing the WordPress. So now here will be our password, and you can see we are right here. Now the first thing that you need to do is that make sure that 2019 theme is activated right here. Okay, 27, if there is any other theme and you are seeing this 2019, make sure that you click activate on the 2019 theme. Okay, the other thing that you need to do is that make sure that you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to the permalinks. Okay, and then make sure that post name is selected. Okay, we will talk about this permalinks later on, but do that as I say now. That's all you need to do and you are totally done. Now the first thing that we need to do is that we need to create our first page. That is going to be our home page. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to go to the pages, and you can see this is how our whole dashboard is right here. We have dashboard, we have the post, we have the media, we have the pages, we have the comments, appearance, pages, plugins, users, tools, and settings right here. So we will be covering each and everything, but first we need to cover the pages. So let's go to the all pages that we have right now. Okay, and you can see we have these pages right now. So sample page is right here, that is already there. This page is right here, which is private. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete it. If you're not seeing that page, don't worry, you will see the sample page right now. Okay, so what you can do, in this all pages, you will see a list of all the pages that your website contains. Okay, so this page is actually created by WordPress by the default. And if I just click view here and I open this up in a new tab, this sample page will be opened up, and you can see this is how the sample page is working. And I have this sample page title, I have the full content of this page right here. Okay, and then I have got everything. So this is the title, and then this is. So now I want to create my first page. How can I do it? So you can just go to this add new, and then you can create your first page. Okay, so you can see the view right here, and now we want to create our first page that is going to be our home page. Okay, so you can see we are right here. It says welcome back to the wonderful world of blocks. Click the plus button to add a block. There are blocks available for all kinds of content. You can insert text, headings, images, list, and lots more. Okay, let's cross it, and you can see here we are in the title, and now here we are in the in basically the content. So first we need to add a title, and the title is basically going to be the home page. So I'm just gonna write here home. Okay, and now here I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna write some content. So basically this is how the WordPress page works. Okay, here you can add the content. Let's suppose that I want to add some content that is going to be hello world, this is my home page. Okay, and this is right here, this is your content right here. And now when you have added, you can go ahead and you can just align the content to the center, to the right, or to the left. You can also just make it bold, do it like this, and you can also just go ahead and you can duplicate and do something like that, things like that. Okay, so now you can see that we have our page ready. This is our home, which is the title, and now this is our the content of the page. Now what do we have to do? We have to publish this page. So how we're going to publish it, you can see that here we are seeing this button right here. So if I just click here, you can see it says, are you ready to publish? Double check your settings before publishing. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit publish, and you can see that my page is going to be published right now. So this page is published, and we are actually seeing this message. It says page published. So now, do you want to view this page? I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open this page up in a new window, and you can see it's just like this, itanzeel.com/home. Okay, so I basically don't want to just make it this like that. Okay, you can see we are seeing this Tanzeel Ur Rehman, and then we are seeing this home, and then we are seeing this hello world. This is my home page. Okay, and then we are seeing this some extra stuff here. So don't worry about this extra stuff that you are seeing. We will just forget about this extra stuff later on, but just focus on this right now. We are seeing this title of the page, and we are also seeing this right now. Let's suppose that now I want to add a different thing. Okay, instead of just adding this comment or this content, I want to add another thing, and that is going to be an image or anything else. So for that, you need to just click this guy right here. It says add a block. So when you click here, you can see we have got here, you can add a paragraph, you can add a heading, you can add an image, a list, a gallery, a cover, a file. You can also add some inline elements like an inline image, and you can also add some formatting like code, verse, and you can also add some layout elements like a button, okay, and just like a spacer and something like that. You can also do pretty well these things, but the most used are just right here. Okay, so you will probably be needing these right now, okay, for creating a basic website. I'm not telling you how to build a professional website. Okay, first we are here to learn the basic websites. When we are done with this, then I'm going to tell you how to build professional websites, so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and let's create our heading first. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to drag this, click this heading, and you can see this heading is right here. And now what I can do, I can select between the heading. I can select whether it is H3, whether it is H4, whether it is H2. Let's go ahead and let me just add a heading, and this is going to be who am I? Okay, and you can see that now what I can do, I can just go ahead and I can select it H3. So when I select H3, this heading becomes smaller. When I select H4, this heading becomes more smaller, and you can see everything we've got here is right now like this. Okay, now in this who am I want to add something more. So now here, what do we need to do? We need to add some dummy content. Instead of just writing and wasting my time over here, I want to introduce you to a website that is called lipsum.com. This is a website that will actually give you the dummy content that you can go ahead and that you can use on your site, and you can save your time. So you can just hit generate lorem ipsum here, and you can just copy the paragraph. So I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to paste it right here. And you can see it's right here. Now what I can do, I can make some content bold in it. I can make some content italic in it. Okay. I can also make some content cut in it. Okay. And I can do pretty well anything. Let's go ahead and let's update it. And let's see if you've got any change done so far. So I'm just going to hit view page on new window. And you can see this is how my page would be looking. So here we go. You can see it says home. We've got this right now, and then we've got a heading that is actually the heading 4, okay, which is smaller in size, okay, and then we have this whole content which is right here coming, which is right here, okay. Same like this. What you can do, you can change some things right here, okay, and you can do anything right here. Now let's go ahead and let's add an image as well, so that you know how to add an image too. So for that, you need to just click here, and then you need to select this image. So just select this image, and you can see now we have this image right here. So what you can do, you can either drag an image, or you can just click this upload right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit upload, and now you can see that in this upload, I can go ahead and I can add any image. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add an image, and that is going to be this image, okay, and this is right here, this image is right here coming, and you can see this image will be right here. This is right here. Now what I can do, I can bring this image to center. I can also just resize this image, okay, like this, Okay, so if I want this image a smaller version of this, I can also bring keep this image left there. I can also bring this image left on the left side, on the right side, wide width, and just do just like full width. Okay, the wide width, and then we've got this center, and then we've got these things right here. But I want the image to be smaller, and I want to add a caption. So this is going to be this is Tanzeel. Okay, so you can see that this is how you can pretty well go ahead and you can build your website like this. Okay, so this is how easy it is to create your own web page. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit update from here, and now it will just tell me the page is updated. Okay, the page updated. I can just hit view page in the new window, in the new tab basically, and you can see now I'm also seeing this image right here with this right now. So you have learned the editor of WordPress so far. Now what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to go and just use these right now. Use a list, use a cover, use a quotation mark, use these things, okay, in your website, and then just understand how everything is working. Same like this, if you want to add anything, you can also click a plus sign here instead of just clicking right there. Okay, so this is how our page builder works. That's all for right now in this video. Now in the next video, we will be talking about some more stuff. So stay tuned guys, and bye bye.